He welcomed to Brains Pump for 16th August 2024 Current Affairs. What major financial concern did the article highlight regarding corporate tax cuts introduced in 2019? A. It boosted government revenue. B. It decreased fiscal space, affecting welfare programs. C. It increased India's Human Development Index ranking. D. It eliminated poverty. Answer B. It decreased fiscal space, affecting welfare programs. Which AI company is noted for implementing an alternative governance structure called the Long-Term Benefit Trust? A. OpenAI. B. Anthropic. C. Meta. D. Amazon. Answer B. Anthropic. What was the primary reason for the governance crisis at OpenAI in 2024? A. Ethical concerns over rapid AI commercialization. B. Lack of funding. C. Privacy issues with AI models. D. Staff layoffs. Answer A. Ethical concerns over rapid AI commercialization. In terms of governance models for AI development, what did Milton Friedman argue? A. AI companies should prioritize social responsibility over profit. B. Companies should focus only on shareholder profits. C. AI development should be regulated by the government. D. Profit-making should be secondary to ethical development. Answer B. Companies should focus only on shareholder profits. Why was Meta asked to halt AI model training in Europe? A. Algorithmic biases. B. Privacy concerns raised by the Irish regulator. C. Gender bias in recruitment. D. Lack of technical resources. Answer B. Privacy concerns raised by the Irish regulator. How did corporate tax cuts affect India's Human Development Index (HDI) ranking? A. Improved significantly. B. No effect. C. Contributed to India's low HDI ranking. D. Led to global recognition of India's economic reforms. Answer C. Contributed to India's low HDI ranking. What governance challenge is highlighted by the OpenAI example? A. Conflicts between profit-making and ethical considerations. B. Difficulty in accessing data for AI training. C. Regulatory hurdles in AI deployment. D. Lack of public support for AI projects. Answer A. Conflicts between profit-making and ethical considerations. What sector has increasingly adopted stakeholder capitalism, according to 16th August article? A. Agriculture. B. Retail. C. Artificial intelligence. D. Real estate. Answer C. Artificial intelligence. What was a major concern regarding AI technologies like Amazon's recruitment algorithm? A. Increased productivity. B. Algorithmic biases such as gender and racial prejudice. C. High financial costs. D. AI's failure to perform tasks. Answer B. Algorithmic biases such as gender and racial prejudice. Which AI company's transition to a hybrid profit model was discussed in the article? A. Google. B. OpenAI. C. Meta. D. Microsoft. Answer B. OpenAI. Subscribe Brains Pump for learn more.